The problem now is that he's not been picking my calls. I've tried to call him severally, but all to no avail.
It's very simple. He doesn't need any distraction from you. He knows you're a distraction to his love life.
Listen, Mike is mine. I would do anything to ruin that marriage. If Mike ends up getting married to that lady, then that means everything we've ever worked for, all our efforts, are in vain. And I will not let that happen.
Babe, the ball is in your court to play now.
That is why I'm here. Pay sister out now. What's up?
What exactly do you want?
Not be you again. Not be you they run the town. Now we not know you go to fuck up now. Again, I want to ruin that marriage. Anything that will make Mike leave Lizzie permanently, I will do it. Yes.
Classiano formula. It will cost you a lot of money.
Mike is the essence of my existence. I would do just anything. I will pay anything to get him.
I will draw the plans, make out the budgets, and get back to you.
And you know, this has been her dream. And you know, this has been her dream. This girl is wicked. She's a green snake in the green grass. Obi Feliana, she's a green snake in the
our elder, we have presented cola to you, and we have also accepted the drink, which we gladly accepted.
Of course.
So there's no need wasting further time.
No need to belabor this photo of the fantastic.
Oh, God, man. Odogu.
Asi oka akpara isikeje ekwe ya otu aka ngwere kwuru na this is the list, comprehensive list in fact of all the requirements for the marital rights. So go through the list and
okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, I have seen it. But I hope I can actually do the wine carrying and traditional marriage at the same time.
Oh, of course. You are permitted.
And I can also bring the equivalent money for the requirements.
Omaka.
Izu keme, so make Izu.
No problem. I'll get back to my wife.
Okay.
And your daughter.
But they don't know why or not. They got a wife to be.
My wife,
Oh, Baba.
Yeah, even this one. I knew you would like it. One. Both of you should come and serve them the food we prepared for them.
Mama, it's ready. They're already done.
On the book, it doesn't take time.
No. That was so fast.
Okay,
Mama, we are coming, eh? Let me just say this.
Welcome,
Mama.
Your joy knows no bounds.
Who would it be? Who would it be that will not be happy?
Sister, you can be happy. Let's go, Mama.
Come on, let's go.
All this plenty talks.
I'm looking at 2 weeks' time. We have a traditional marriage. Then, the next day, we do our wet wedding. What do you think?
Baby, that's not even enough. I mean, I need enough time to invite our guests.
Okay, first week of next month, I think it will be better. That means in 4 weeks' time. What do you think?
Perfect. It's perfect for me.
Okay. Oh, hold on.
Who's that?
Never mind. It's somebody you don't know.
Whatever.
Okay, my ex. You know, she has been playing some funny games recently. I don't know what she's up to.
She wants to come back?
For her mind. I don't know.
Oh. So excuse. Hello there. Hi, bestie. How are you? No, my dear, I am really, really sorry. Yes, I'm with him. We went to the village. No, we only went to collect, our marriage list. I'm sorry I didn't tell you. Come on. He just came to my house and was like, baby, you know what? We just have to go today since my mother has been disturbed. Okay, darling. I'll let you know once I'm back, okay? Okay. Bye. Bye, bestie. Bestie. That's my bestie, baby.
Your bestie.
Yeah, my bestie.
Every girl now do have a bestie.
What are you trying to say?
That's okay. It's okay. Bestie all the way.
Bestie all the way. You're just trying to say that that's the in thing or the trending thing right now, right?
Bestie all the
Please.
way.
My bestie is she's 1 in a million. Don't even judge her. Okay, so I guess we should be close by now.
Egedege, what is going on? What is keeping the plan? This is not what I bargained for. I mean, look at that now. He has gone to collect the list. Before you know it, the marriage proper. What's up now? What did they play? What's up now?
Babe, I need information of her whereabouts with the man. So we can strike it well.
How?
Make her tell you. Now you they hold me from executing these plans, not me.
Babe, I don't understand what you do, Yan. I don't understand you. What did they talk? How?
Calm down. Feed me with their everyday move. I want to know where they go to, the things they do. That's the only way we can strike, and strike this well.
Egedege, you go make me lose out on this thing. And I cannot afford to lose out. You see, something like this, I cannot afford to lose out. I will give you the information what you need. I will feed you with your information. Because I am not going to lose out. Come on, Ify, you need to think. Ify, you need to think. You need to act fast.
Babe, I am so tired. So tired. I wanted to call your friend. I need to go home and rest.
I'm so sorry, babe. I don't know what's actually keeping her, but she should be on her way right now. I mean, come on, Faith. You need to see my bestie.
Oh.
This is my 1 in a million bestie. We can't be getting married and you've not met my best friend.
You know, the way you people go about this bestie thing, I mean, someone should start thinking otherwise. You know.
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about?
Babe, I do not do girls. So please stop having that bizarre idea in your head. Please. The thought of it alone irritates me.
It's okay, I trust you, okay? Come on, call her. I need to go home and catch some sleep. Please.
Okay. Cool.
Let's know her whereabouts, okay?
Yeah, hello?
My sister, you don't know what just happened right now.
What?
I was coming home. A big car hit the tricycle I was in and I fell into the gutter. And I bruised up myself.
Oh my goodness, God. How?
That is what is happening right now.
Okay. Where are you at the moment?
Before the roundabout, that's where we had the accident.
Oh my God. But where you are sounds as if you're in the room. Are you sure you are outside?
Yes. There's this neighbor around there that saw me, and she was like, "Oh, who is this helpless girl? Let me help her." Then she took me to her house just by the before the roundabout there, and she gave me a change of clothes. I'm in her room right now. That's why there's no noise where I am.
Okay, fine. You know what? Just take care of yourself. I'm sorry for all the stress I had to make you go through just because of me. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. That's what besties do now. It's okay.
Okay. Alright then, I'll just talk to you later.
Okay, my love. I love you, okay? My bestie ain't gonna kill you there. You're very stupid. You remove sleep from my eye and you're calling me your bestie. Is that how we do? Idiot.
Is she coming?
Baby, long story. She said she had an accident on her way coming here.
Oh, wow. Okay, can we go now?
Are you sure you heard me? I said my best friend just had an accident on her way coming to meet up with us. And here you were acting so remorse about it.
I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry.
Whatever.
So can we go now?
Please.
And you know this has been her dream. And you know this has been her dream. This girl is wicked. She's a green snake in the green grass. Obi Feliana. She's a green snake in the green grass. She's a green snake. She's a green snake in the green grass. But she claimed to love you. She's a green snake in the green grass. Oh, why people like me? She's a green snake in the green grass. Oh, bestie, bestie. She's a green snake in the green grass. I have never seen this kind of bestie. Yeah. Jealousy, envy, all over her mind. Why do you allow devil to use you, baby? Why do we know these things to your bestie? Yeah. Stop forcing love. Love comes, love goes. And you know this has been her dream. And you know true love is her dream.
Oh, bestie. I'm so sorry for keeping you guys waiting.
Come on, Faith. We should be the one apologizing to you. I mean, look at all the stress and all the shit you had to go through just to come meet up with us. I'm sorry.
You don't have to be. We're besties. You don't have to. Come on.
Thanks for understanding.
It's okay. So tell me, you guys went to your parents' place. What's the latest?
You can never change. You just got here and you want to hear all the things. Fine, I know you want to hear them, so I'm going to let them out.
Okay.
He's supposed to come pick me up and then we're supposed to go meet his mother so we can have a get together and then pick a particular date for the wedding.
That means in less than a month you will pick a date?
Something like that.
Oh, I cannot wait! I am so happy!
I know. That reminds me. You know, since you're here,
okay,
why don't I call my fiancé and then you guys can be able to meet up? Don't you think it's a good idea?
Perfect idea!
Right.
I mean, it's always good for us to meet. I haven't met him before, right?
Yes, you need to meet. I just bring his clothes here.
Okay.
Hey, baby. Okay, babe. You know, my bestie is actually here in my office. And I don't know if you're close, so you guys can actually meet up. Oh, yep. Really? Fantastic. That's a better idea. Okay, we're waiting for you.
Yes.
Okay, baby. Oh, please. I love you too. See ya. I caught the phone. Bye.
You guys are so in love.
Okay, fine. He said it's close, so he'll be here very soon.
He will be here very soon. Wow.
What do I offer you?
I have never seen this kind of bestie. Jealousy.
Hello? What? No. Dad, I am coming there right away. What nonsense. I am coming there right now. Can you imagine?
What is it?
Some levy collectors are in my shop. They're packing my things, saying that I didn't pay for a levy which I know that I paid for. A levy I paid for? No, now. For all I know, these people might be hoodlums. They want to pack my stuff, and take them. So I have to go, right?
You really need to.
I will catch up with you.
Okay, fine.
Just hurry up, okay?
Just be careful.
Yeah.
Oh my God! And I already called my fiance. What am I supposed to? I just hope she will find.
Oh, baby. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. A call came in after your call. I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting.
It's okay.
So, where is she?
She got a call and some guys wanted to vandalize her properties at the shop, so she rushed out. You know, baby, I feel we should actually go and meet her up. I know how things are going on with her thing.
Good idea. Okay, come on. Let's go.
Good afternoon. Where is your madam?
My madam, she just left now. I'm surprised you don't meet her on the way.
Okay. Babe, what's up? You there your shop now? Oh, no. It's okay. Just take your time. There will always be another time. Yes. Alright. Okay.
It's like she's far.
Yes, she's not close, but that's an issue she had the last time the local government gave her. She wants to sort it out, so we'll come back some other time.
Okay.
Alright.
Some other time, okay?
Bye.
I hope you don't do that by inside. Yeah. I trust you. That's why I employed you. That girl, an agent of darkness. Wish! Nonsense! Every time you've been monitoring me, what is it?
I thought she's your friend.
You thought she's my friend? See your teeth like a caterpillar. No go mind the business that pays you. Wish!
Good day, Mom.
Good afternoon, ma.
Please sit. Come on, sit down. Mom, what is it?
How long do you intend to hide this from me? How long, Mike?
Mom, hide what?
That the girl you want to marry is a prostitute. A club stripper.
Who told you that? Who?
Can you deny it? Can you deny it?
Mom, answer my question. Who told you that?
Now listen to me. You daughter of Jezebel. This is a Christian home. Light and darkness have nothing in common. If you think after living a wayward life and worthless life, you will come into my home. It's a lie.
Mom, you don't have to talk to my wife in that manner.
You must be a joker. Who is your wife?
Mom, she's... Wait, hold on. Mom, she's my wife.
Let her go!
Mom,
she is not your wife!
She is my wife.
She is not your wife!
Hey.
Look at Manya! What's not she see? What's not she getting? Hey!
Babe,
What?
Come on.
What is it?
I am sorry for the embarrassment.
You know what?
I'm sorry.
Just take me back home, please.
Babe.
What?
Babe, come, let's go in and trash it out. Okay? Let's end this once and for all.
Are you taking me back home or you want me to go get a taxi for myself? Are you?
Babe.
I cannot go back in there. It's too hard for me. Did you see what just happened? I can't go back in there, please.
It's okay. It's okay. Just... Mom, you have no right whatsoever to talk to her in that manner. It's not right. She deserves an apology. Yes.
Look at you talking. Your mother should go and apologize to that harlot.
Mom, she's not a harlot. Point of correction.
Look at you. She can't even deny it. She can't even deny it. Wait. Let me show you. Oh yeah, look. This is the proof. Look at these pictures.
Mom, I've seen these pictures before.
Huh?
Yes, I've seen them. Mom, she was a club stripper. She was a club stripper, but not anymore. She has stopped.
Hey! Because she stopped yesterday. That makes her fit to be your wife.
She didn't
Is that what you're telling me?
Just stop yesterday. Yes, she didn't just stop yesterday. She has long stopped.
Even if she stopped 10 years ago, a harlot is a harlot. She can never change. No! You will never marry that girl.
And you know what? No one will stop me from marrying the woman I love. Yes. I love her and I love her very much.
Is that what you're telling me?
Yes, ma'am.
Then get ready to stop bearing this family's name. And I, your mother, will strip you of all your inheritance. You can never get one from me.
Why are you like this? My father's name is my father's name.
Hi.
Mom, she deserves an apology.
Come back here! My girl! My girl! This girl has given my son something to eat. No, this is not ordinary. This is not ordinary. What will I do?
Babe, stop crying. Come on. It's okay. You'll be fine.
Baby, I do not want to cause problem between you and your mother.
Babe, you're not going to cause any problem for us. Trust me. We are going to resolve it as usual.
Baby, don't say that. You're just trying to patronize me, make me feel better.
Babe.
What tells you that she's going to give in her consent to our marriage? What's the possibility?
She must. Okay? As long as I'm not going to give her listening ears, she must succumb to my wishes. Trust me.
Baby, I am sorry for her.
You don't have to be sorry for anything. I'm more concerned about who gave her the information to her. And I know it's still the same again.
Did you know?
The same picture she sent to me was the same picture she sent to my mother.
Who could be doing this to me? Who the hell is Ekeneke? How does she form? What does she want from me? What?
It's okay, babe. It's okay. Maybe she found you.
She said all that? Come on, that is sad now. It's so sad.
She even said worse.
No now. This is terrible. It is terrible. But hold on. Who would have told him all this?
I don't know. You know, it's the same question Mike and I have been asking ourselves. But I am beginning to agree with Mike, you know. Because I think it is the same Ekedeke. I mean, it's the same pictures that he or she sent to my fiancé that was sent to my mother-in-law.
Who the hell is this Ekedeke?
My friend, I don't know what the person wants from me. I don't know what he or she stands to gain from destroying my relationship.
My sister, I'm so sorry about all this. I'm sorry for the disappointment. Thank God, oh. Thank God Mike did not succumb to his mother. But do you think the mother will be able to cajole him into leaving you? Do you think so?
I don't really know for now. But we just got into an agreement that everything about the marriage has to be on hold. Until the mother has been convinced otherwise.
But we have to thank God. We have to thank God for everything. I know that Mike will stand by you. I know within me, he will stand by you.
Thank you so much. I want to use this medium to really thank you for always being there for me.
Come on, stop it. Stop it. What are besties for? I got you. And when I say I got you, 100%. It's okay.
Thank you.
What if he finally convinces his mother about marrying Lizzie? I have gone too far to back down. And I have invested too much to lose out. I can never lose. I can never relent. Mike is mine. And no one takes him away from me. No one.
Michael, my son, if the reason you return back to pass the night here is to convince me about that girl, nah, it will not work. It's mission impossible. Ogaga walk.
Mom, I am back here just for one thing. I need to ask you a question. And if I should get an answer, then it's going to go a long way for me.
What?
Okay. Mom, who told you about Lizzie's past life?
Is it not everywhere? Everybody knows she's a harlot.
Mom, please do not refer to my wife as a harlot. Please. I need to know who told you about her.
A lot of people know her.
Mom, are you trying to tell me that you don't know who told you? Mom, I need to know who told you in particular. Or are you trying to tell me that a lot of people came and told you about her?
You see, who told me about her is not necessary here.
Mom, it's very, very necessary. I need to know. Yes.
I will not tell you.
Mom. Yes. Mom, I need to know who told you.
I will not tell you. I said I will not tell you.
Mom.
Where is your madam?
My madam, she just went out.
Ah.
Yes.
I don't have time to check time.
I hope there is no problem.
No problem.
Okay.
Hello? I'm in your salon at the moment. Okay.
Is she coming back?
That's what she said.
Yeah. Okay, now sit down and wait for her.
Thank you very much. How is work?
Mom, please, you have to listen to me. Okay? Lizzie is no longer a club stripper. She has stopped long time ago. She now owns a big interior decoration firm in the city where we live. Mom, you have to allow me follow the direction of my heart. You have to allow me follow my heart, Mom. Please.
Even if your heart is leading you to the burning fire, I should fold my hands, allow you burn, allow you destroy. Is that what you mean?
Mom, I love Lizzie. I love her so much. She means a lot to me.
But that love is for the wrong person. It is dangerous.
Mom, how?
Okay. Do you know how many demons she's carrying around? Don't you know that the more men she sleeps with, the more demon she contacts? Yes. Let me tell you, sex is a spiritual exercise. There are demons that are very dangerous. Demons are dangerous. Or do you want to be infected by a demon that will destroy your future? Do you want to be infected with such demon? Demon that will be tormenting you? Please, let her go.
Mom, that is not true. That is not true at all.
Huh?
If it is true, then it's too late.
You say what? Did I hear you say it is too late? Michael! Oh, I should have known that. So, Michael, you have been sleeping with that thing. Is that what you're telling me? Huh. This is no longer Michael. It is no longer the way I brought you up. Please leave. Get out of my presence.
Mom?
Michael, please leave my presence at once.
Mama, are you not seeing me like a demon?
Go.
I'm your son. You should be praying
I
for me,
say leave.
not casting me out. Oh, come on. Hey. I see your boobs. Boy. Damn.
How? Michael. Mike.
So baby, tell me, how did it go?
Like I told you, it's not going to be easy, you know? Yeah. But trust me, we'll win.
Are you trying to say that she hasn't given in yet? I mean, will she even give in?
It's not as tough as it was the first time. She's soft now.
Oh.
Yeah, but I know the next one or two push, the door will open.
You think so? I mean, I pray so. Just tired. Maybe, I'm sorry for all the stress I've put you through. I really am.
It's okay. Don't have to worry yourself. It's our cross. We are going to bear it together.
What would I have done without you? I love you.
I love you more and more and more and more and more. And I'll continue to love you to the rest of my life.
Stop.
Mike! Sorry, one sec. Sorry. I'm sorry if I startled you, but I'm not happy. Why are you being cruel to me? You've not been picking my calls.
What's cruel about someone who wants to live his private life?
I'm not stopping you from living your private life, okay? But stop treating me like I'm some waste being or something. I'm human and I like you.
I know, just that I need to focus. Please, I have to.
I'm not stopping
I
you.
need to concentrate.
I'm not stopping you from concentrating. After everything we've shared together. Come on now, think about it.
What we shared was just mere secondary school loss, one of teenage curiosity to explore. Okay? It doesn't hold any water at all.
It does. It holds waters. I cared and I still care about you. You know I'm into you. You know, I send you die.
Really?
Yes.
My dear, have you ever thought of the fact that I don't feel same for you?
You do and you know it. You do.
But at least I've told you about the woman I'm in love with. The woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
A club stripper. A woman your mother doesn't want you to get married to?
I never told you about this. How come? How come you know about it? Who told you?
You told me. Yes, you did. I mean, if you hadn't told me, how would I have known? So if I did come here frequently to check on you, that's how you'd have forgotten me, right?
So you're now trailing me.
I'm not trailing you. If I were, I mean, I know your house. I would have come to your house, but I didn't want to come uninvited.
You know what? Go ahead and trail me, okay? I'm out of here.
Mike, hold on. Mike! So tell me, girl, how is his mother say? What's his mother say?
Well, let's just say he's already making progress and convincing her. I wasn't even expecting it to be a smooth ride, you know.
Wait, hold on. Are you trying to tell me that the mother is giving up?
Not really. It's just that she's becoming more soft than usual.
Oh.
That means it's working.
So tell me, how about Mike? Is he still going ahead with the marriage?
Of course. Well, that reminds me. He's supposed to take me shopping today. I think I should call him to
Yes,
dinner.
you should. Yes.
1 minute. Hey baby. I wanted to remind you that you're supposed to take me shopping today, remember? Oh, you're close. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Alright, bye. Bye.
Wow!
I said it's close.
Wow, I mean, finally I'll get to see our baby.
Oh, come please. My baby, not yours.
Oh! Come on. Girl, I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back, okay?
No problem.
All right, just a few minutes.
Okay.
Okay, girl. Oh my God. This is the second time. Second time I'm almost caught. Oh God. I need to be careful. I need to be careful.
Where is Ify? I thought she said she wanted to use the restroom.
Yes, ma. She went into the restroom and rushed out immediately.
Rushed out? How?
Yes. I don't know. She left the office. That was even before Uncle Mike came.
Hello, babes. Where are you?
My sister, I went to pee and then I found out that my menstrual cycle started today.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry about that. And you know, Mike is already here.
I'm rushing home to go change up. I don't know if he can wait.
No need for that. You know, he's not really this patient type and all that. Just take care of yourself and I'll just do it.
Alright. Thank you. Sorry, eh?
Thank you, my darling. I'll give you all the gist later, okay? Bye. Just... Okay,
I have never seen this kind of bestie. Jealousy, envy, all over her mind. Why do you allow devil to use you, baby? Why do we know these things to your bestie? Yeah. Stop forcing love. Love comes, love goes. And you know this has been her dream. And you know true love is her dream. This girl is wicked. She's a green snake in the green grass. Obi Feliana. She's a green snake in the green grass. She's a green snake. She's a green snake in the green grass. But she claimed to love you. She's a green snake in the green grass. Oh, why people like she's a green snake in the green grass. Oh, bestie. She's a green snake in the green grass. I have never seen this kind of bestie. Jealousy, envy, all over her mind. Why do you allow devil to use you, baby? Why do we know these things to your bestie? Yeah. Stop forcing love. Love comes, love goes. And you know,
babe, you fuck up. You fuck up, Lizzie. No be so life, bio. You fuck up big time. You see this thing where you do, eh? You see this thing where you do. Now this thing where you do make me stop to they give babes. Correct me. No be so. You fall my hand. Now you are the trouble. Talking to.
Sorry, who are you talking to?
You, Lizzie. You, Lizzie. I'm talking to you. Which kind of phone me be this now? You don't phone for Jovial Mama, huh?
Why don't?
Yes.
Have you met before?
Yes. Now still me, Jovial Mama, where they give you more. I mean, they give you work. All the money where you they chop, where they use the people like this. Now me. I mean, they give you man.
What is she talking about?
I don't even know this person. I mean, how am I supposed to know this demented multicolored Homo sapien? There's no one I know.
The multicolor, eh? Now I be that babe where they give you man for club. Where they use the ping all these things. Now still Jovial Mama. You dey form because of this mugu wey follow you dey form here. You dey form because of this mugu abi no be so. I go still catch you for jungle.
Let's watch your mouth. Listen, you can talk to me or come whatever you want to come, but please do not talk to my man. Don't refer to my man as a
Sorry, who are you?
I don't know her.
Bros, now me. Now me be jovial mama.
So what happened? What is the problem?
This babe where you dey see, this ungrateful girl where you dey see, chop my 10%. Eh? After I come strip finish for Las Vegas club. Las Vegas club VIP. Now I give her one better correct man. The man bill am as the man give am 300k. He chop the money finish. Come tell me say na 200k the man give am. I see the man for club yesterday. Come tell am say why he cut my money. Say why he cut my money, the man tell me say na 300k. He give you this ungrateful girl. You want chop my money, Abi? You want chop my 10%?
Wait, are you saying you know this? Are you saying you know this lady very well?
I know her now. I know her very well. No be Lizzie. No be Lizzie. First class stripper.
Okay, if you claim you know her very well, then you should have her number.
Yes, bros, I have her number. Just wait. Now lie, she dey lie. No be her number be this. Lizzie, the dirty girl. Is that not her number?
Me, dirty girl.
Yes. Don't dey see this number.
B, this is your number. How come?
Baby.
Oh.
You. Shine your eye.
Baby, wait, baby. Who the hell are you? Baby, wait. Baby, wait. Baby, wait. Whoa! Baby, wait. Baby, I don't know that bitch. I don't know her.
I'm going to jump.
Baby, that girl is from the pit of hell. I don't know. Why are you? Baby, wait. Baby, please wait. Baby, wait.
Hey. Listen to me. I do not ever want to see Lizzie in this compound. Okay, if you ever open this gate for Lizzie, I am going to throw both of you out of this compound.
No problem, sir.
Do you get that?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, please, I want to see Mike.
Sorry, Moga has instructed me not to open the gate for you. So you have to go back now.
Mike did what? He asked you not to open the gate for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, fine. Since he doesn't want to open the gate for me, just let him know that I'll be waiting for him here. All day, all night, whenever he comes out, I will be right at this gate. Just make sure he gets the message.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What is it?
It's Auntie Lizzie. She's outside the gate. She says she'll not go until she sees you.
I don't understand. Is that supposed to be your problem? Huh? What's your business about that? Come, my friend, will you get back to your post?
Sorry, sir. Sir, is she going to spend the night outside there?
Okay, come, let me whisper to you what you tell her before she leaves. When you get there. Get back to your post, my friend.
Sorry, sir.
Who have I wronged? Who is doing this to me? Hey. Trouble. Oh. Yes. Hey. Oh God, oh. If I am finished. I am finished.
Hey, baby girl. Are you guys done shopping? Where do I meet you guys now?
What I am talking about? I'm telling you that I'm finished. You're asking me if I went for any shopping. See, if you really want me to be alive to even tomorrow morning, just find a way to where I am right now. I'm in front of Mike's house. He locked me out. He's not even talking to me.
It's okay. Stop crying. Just send me the address. Send the address to me, okay? I'll be there before you know it.
Okay, I'll send it to you now. Please, just hurry up, please. Please.
Here I was rejoicing that we have conquered that phase of life. Now we are here again. Honestly, they shall never go unpunished. What's all this now? What is all this? What is this now? When I was already rejoicing that we have won this battle, and boom, they come again. Girl, come on, don't cry. You don't have to cry. You shall pull through this. You're a strong girl. I know you. Come on, cheer up. You see this God? God is not asleep. They shall reap the fruit of their evil. I assure you that. In fact, we are going on a 21 days fasting again for this sake. Remember, we conquered it. But this time, Dangote trailer will jam them. Who is this calling me at this time? Excuse me. Hello, dear. You want me to come now? I will be there now. Okay, just give me a few minutes, okay? Let me round up what I'm doing. All right, love. Okay.
Girl,